What's up guys? Today is day 9 of working on the wiring harness. I really don't have that many other connectors left to do. So let me just show you what I have left. So I have about two ring terminals that I need to wire up. I have one wire going to this one. I have one wire for my O2 sensor. I have 2 temperature sensors that I need to run. 5 wires for my diagnostic box. Oh, sorry, 3 temperature sensors. 3 wires for this plug, and I think that's it. Oh yeah, and my oil pressure plug. I'm trying to find exactly how to undo this one, so for the time being, I'm just gonna run the wire. I might have to find an extra connector. I forget what these are called. Maybe it's like a spade connector, or yeah, I don't know. I'll have to find that out. Anyway, that's all I have left to do. I hope I have enough pins left. If not, then I'm gonna have to wait on an order to come in. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, so first things first, I'm gonna start running the long wires first to make sure I have enough wire of the right color. So let's see if I can trace this back in a whole bunch. All right, so there's a gray wire that comes off of the diagnostic box. It leads to this gray connector, and it's the top left. This black and red one leads to this connector. It's the right side, one down, second one down. This purple one leads to the same connector. It's the left side, third one down. And then this yellow and black leads to this white connector, and it's this bottom one. So these 3 wires can get about the same length. I'm gonna run them all at once so I can keep them in a bundle going up to here. And let me trace this red and black one. Oh, sorry, it's red and green, not red and black. All right, and here it is with the gray one. It's on this connector. It's on the bottom side, and it's the second one in. So it'll be located right about here. All right, guys, I'm back. I have found out what color wires I need. The only thing I'm out of is black. So with that being said, I'm gonna try to do as many connectors as I can and then see what I need to order, because I do need to order some more pins. So, all right, and for the gray, I'm just gonna use white. Alright guys, I'm back and looking at some connectors. I'm almost out of these, so I will have to put an order in. Alright, so over here on the diagnostic box, if you're looking underneath it, so flip it upside down, the yellow and black, and then the purple. Yellow and black is on the top right, the purple is on the top left. So I'm going to pop those 2 out, and then I'm going to clean the connector space. And for those of you that don't know what this stuff is just dielectric grease. It's basically it's like a sealant. Well, not really a sealant. Well, kind of. It's like a waterproofing sealant that you put around connectors. That way they don't corrode. Because this is in the engine bay, and these don't have any seals on them or any boots, so it's to prevent like corrosion on it. It's to prevent corrosion and to keep water out. Purple, yellow. All right, red and green is that second row, middle. And then that gray one. Where does that gray one go? Bottom row, middle. And the gray is going to be replaced by white. All right, I got all that done except for the black and red, which I need to order some more black. All right, guys, diagnostic box is 95% done. I just need this black and red wire, and that will be completed. So, I'm gonna start working and I'm gonna finish this connector right here. I think I have enough. Actually, I can't finish it because I don't have any black. But I can get really close. I do have some black and yellow, and I do have that blue. So let's get started. And here it is. It comes to this wide gray connector, and it's the top right one. All right, now for this blue one. It's weird that they made it come all the way this way, then loop back around. I might just do like a small loop and then bring it that way, or it just might come right out. All right, I got that one done. It's pretty easy. All I have left is that black and brown wire, which I'll have to order some more black. I'm gonna go ahead and trace this wire back. All right, goes to this square block connector. Second row in, third one down. All right, I got this connector done. I got this one done. I'm gonna run a wire for this one, which is, it looks like white and black or yellow and black. And then there's this, let's see, is this the same length? Could make it the same length. Yellow and green. Yellow and green, yellow and black, perfect. Okay, from this yellow and black, it splits off. Goes from here, and it goes up to this little gray connector. All right, I just got all these wires spliced in. I just need to, let's see, where did that? Okay, so I got the oil pressure sensor plugged in or spliced in to this connector, and then the other yellow and black connector came up into this small one right here. So I got that completed. The only thing I need to do now is to run my yellow and green from the yellow and green to this, I think it's called a spade connector. I noticed there's this a pink wire, a purple wire, and a gray wire that all it does is lead up to here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just wire those in real quick. And then it looks like there's also a green wire that jumps from here to this one. I'm gonna do that, get that out of the way. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it a night there. I got a lot done. I'm pretty much all done with this the wiring harness. I do have to order some more black wire, and I need to figure out how to use the spade connector, and then I have to order some more of those the regular 90 connectors, 90-2, whatever they're called. I have to order some more of those. I'm gonna order the TPS connector. I found that on Drift Motion. Need to get that ordered, and then find an O2 sensor, and then yeah, I'll be done. I'll be able to wrap up the harness and then call it good. Anyways, if you guys like the video, go ahead, leave a like, subscribe to see more videos like these. Peace out.